Hello, guys. Welcome to our weekly analysis for this last trading week in the month of March 24th to 28th. Before we dive into the chart proper, I just want to show you here the outlined news for this last trading week, month of March. Since we are basically emphasizing on the FX triad, which is our major focus, we'll now be shifting our interest more on USD related news events. And on Monday, you can see here we have flash manufacturing PMI, also flash service PMI. Then Tuesday, no USD news, and Wednesday, no USD news. Thursday, we have USD news, final GDP, and the unemployment claim. Friday, we have USD core PC price index. So one thing you should consider is this: in all of these days for the news release, they are important. There is also need for you to focus more on the most volatile news release within this trading week. And if you can ask me, I will tell you to pay more attention to the core PCE price index, right? Because this news release that is on Friday has more impact or more influence on the Fed interest rate decision, right? That is why it has more influence, more than the news on Monday and Thursday, right? So that doesn't mean you can't trade the other ones. You can, but me, I pay more attention on it. So if you are taking any trades, you can take within Monday, take within Thursday. But any trade you are taking on Friday, you can hold. If you are bearish on Friday, you can hold even down till late Monday, right? That is for the month of April, right? You can hold it down. So now let's hop into chart and see what price is saying for the just concluded trading week and what we are to anticipate for this new trading week. All right, this is a chart for H4 time frame. But please, if you are yet to subscribe, subscribe and follow us on our TikTok page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also check our bio so you can join our free Telegram community for updates on either of these analysis for any new week we are presenting. All right. Now for this H4, I told us that on Euro USD there was a place I marked this place that was last week analysis, and I told us price will push into this marked area, right? So price took off this liquidity and dropped into this point of target. All right, so and we are expecting here there's already a break below, right? So to push down a little bit into this area we marked, you can see here there is a block here, right? There's a block here, there's a rejection block here. So here is going to be very sensitive, very sensitive, to look out for. So let's see a bigger picture on daily, so I can tell you what to anticipate for this new week as we tag along. Right? Yes, on the bigger picture, this is a weekly time frame, right? Weekly time frame on Euro USD. We are anticipating a more bearish move. In fact, I am anticipating that price should close bearish this week, right? Before a continuous uptrend move, I'm anticipating that price should close bearish, this week. Okay, so that is just what you should look out for. So we want price to trade deeper here, but to hit about 50% of this range, right, of this last 3 weeks range to push down, right? So I want to look out for a buy within the area I told you on H4 log. All right, so below this area marked, below the 50% of this range, if I will anticipate a bullish move. So for this week, I want to see a more drop on Euro USD, a more drop on Euro USD, right? Then on you can see on DXY, you can see here price has broken this, right? So we still want a retracement. Price cannot keep dropping. You can see how many weeks that price has dropped, right? So we can also see a retracement. We push into this 50% of this law of this range, right, to rebalance before probably a drop down, right? That is on DXY. So finally on GBP USD, pay attention, GBP USD. So we still want price to little bit trade below, all right, to trade below before thinking of how to push forward. But let me show you probably if we can get a little entry on GBP USD. So on a lower time frame on GBP USD, this area marked might be a point of interest where we can look out for a more sell, right? A more sell. Take note, if market opens, price can push up, right? Take off this eye into the FVG, and the FVG is more clearer on H4. You can look out for it. Price can push up into that zone and do what? And drop. But listen, if price takes off this low first, then there's no need to expect market to come into this price to come into this area, all right? But if market opens and push up, right, into this area marked, we can now look for a more drop down. But if price comes down and takes the low first, we now have a new point of interest. That is where you need to come into the free Telegram community, where we can give you an update on a new point of interest. So take note of that. Then once you take your sell, we're going to target to those areas we marked, right? These are the areas we marked for price to push into. So you take your trades on the sell and target this area, right? Then the next day for effective trading will be your Friday, where you can now have an entry that you can hold till first week of or 1st of April. All right, so please, I'd like you to follow us and subscribe to our channel. Drop your comment and I will respond to you when necessary. All right, we meet weekend for a review or analysis on the new incoming trading week. All right, have a nice day. God bless you. Bye.